at all because I don't mind her not coming. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Alright, so I'm looking a little crusty. Okay, I just showered and everything. But let's go ahead and get right into this video. If you are new, again, welcome here on my channel. I do talk about Wegovy, weight loss, and I do other things, but so far Wegovy seems to be taking the main focal point on my channel. All right, so if you do not know what Wegovy is, please make sure you go ahead and pause this video and look at this little screen clip, because it is an injection that basically helps suppresses your appetite. You may be able to qualify for this type of drug. However, you must speak with your weight loss physician because it can only be purchased through them, through a pharmacy. This is not something that you can get over the counter, okay? At the end of my 7th week, I am so happy, so excited. Let's go ahead and get right into this video because, girl, we got some things to talk about. All right, girl, so I just came back from church, so here we are. All right. I believe that my period has not came on. I know it's TMI, but a lot of you ladies already follow me. So I believe this is one of these side effects that I have not experienced yet. Now, mind you, I am on a birth control, okay? So I am on the Mirena, and sometimes my period can be on, it can be regular or it can be irregular. So I have not experienced an irregular period since last summer. So this month is actually my first month. Well, it's April. So March was the first month that I have not experienced a period at all. All right. So I have not seen one since February, and I'll put the date up there so that you can see. But that was the last time I had my period. And, you know, the thought did kind of like cross my mind, like, am I pregnant or am I not pregnant? Back me up. However, I was not, excuse my daughter in the room, she's on her phone, but I just wasn't sure if the Wegovy was going to, you know, decrease the effectiveness of the Mirena, okay? Because your girl is not trying to have any kids right now, all right? So, no, I am not pregnant at all, but that thought did kind of like cross my mind. So I just wanted to, you know, let you ladies know that you may experience some delayed menstrual cycles, and it is a part of the side effects of being on Wegovy. So, yeah, I just wanted to share that little bit. All right, so now let me get into far as like the weight loss. Last week I was at 182. I did not have the picture because my week was so busy. I explained that. If you have not checked out that video, make sure you go ahead. I'll drop the link in the description box. But, you know, I was at 182. Now I am 183.6. I did take a picture this time. So I just gained a couple of ounces, not even a full pound, which I am okay with that because my weight loss, you know, for the past 2 weeks have been, you know, good, you know, three pounds, 2 pounds, or 1 pound at all, because I don't mind her not coming, you know. It's okay. It's okay. I have a whole box of tampons sitting up in the cabinet just waiting to be used, but it's okay if I don't use it. All right. I want to show you like what I got from Sam's. I'll put in a little clip right here, either up there or over there. Protein is the best. That's what I was getting ready to talk about. So lean protein. I'm about to burn the water. Let me hurry up because I'm trying to cook. I'm trying to cook dinner. Okay. So, this is what I got from Sam's Club. I was stocked up on some lean protein because that was the whole purpose of me, you know, searching on YouTube, where that the doctors were saying that if you want to lose more weight or just lose weight in general, especially after Wegovy, is eat lean protein. Now, I have talked about eating protein, but I have not been specific in saying lean protein. So, like, for those who have been on keto before, and I'm one of those ladies who done ketogenic, where, you know, you have high fat, moderate protein, and you are restricting a lot of your carbs down to like 25 net carbs or below. Whereas with low carb, what you want to do is lower that fat. And I believe that's maybe not what I was doing, because I was still eating hamburger patties, which is high in fat. Like, you do get a lot of protein, however, you are still getting that high percentage of fat. And that is what my doctor was trying to tell me, but I just was not listening, okay? You gotta listen. All right. So that's what I have not been doing is listening. So 9 minutes long. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish because I don't want to burn water. Okay. So we're gonna cut up this chicken. I'm gonna use the other chicken for like later during the week. That way I'll have something for lunch. But me and the kiddos, we're just gonna eat on this chicken here and we're gonna have a good Sunday. All right. So stay tuned for next week because I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for later tonight. I am going to be starting week 8 because I decided to change my days, and I'm going to explain more next week at the end of my 8th week. Next Sunday I will explain the reason why I had to change my injection day. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you go ahead and turn on your notification, ladies. All right, thumbs up. All right, and just comment any little thing that you want to know down below. I will try my best. But remember, you need to have some insurance. Remember, everyone's copay is going to be different. So please make sure you talk to your weight loss doctor and also look up Wegovy and Ozempic. And that's all I wanted to say, and I'll check you out later. Goodbye, gorgeous.